Hey, let me show a quick unboxing and overview of the Realme Buds Air 6. So first of all, we can find information that they actually support the high resolution audio with the LHDAC audio codec. On the right side, we can also find information about the low latency mode. It's also called the game mode, and we've got 55 milliseconds of the latency. We can also find support for the wireless charging for the charging case, the microphone. And of course, we can find dual drivers with the 12.4mm size, 40 hours battery life, and 50 decibels 2.0 active noise cancellation. So now let's go to the side. I just remove this foil just to don't waste your time, and let's quickly jump inside. Let's see what we can find here. Okay. So now we are inside and we can finally take it off. So that's how it comes with this small foil. There we go. And that's how the case looks. On the left side there's no buttons, on the right side no. At the bottom we can find USB-C port and also this pairing button. On the back there's no any marking, and when you take a look inside, that's how they looks. They actually looks really close to the Realme Buds Air 5 for the previous version. There's the marking that here we can find the left side. Also there's this touch sensor, and the right one looks identical. Of course, the right marking, the touch sensor, and the charging, and the case looks like this. Let's take a look what we can also find inside. So as you can see, we can find this ear tips with the two different sizes, a short cable, and the user manual, and that's basically it. This is actually the all accessories. And if you are looking for some other videos about this device, like for example how to pair them, some kind of the tips or the best features, you will find this in my channel. So that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe.